Now I suspect there's probably quite a lot of you watching this video because you can't get yours to work quite correctly, which is fine. I'm expecting that to happen, but I want to explain why. Now, most of you probably would have just grabbed the video motion on Sprite, put that in there, whoops, and then probably on the basis of the video you thought, well, okay, when video motion equals 10 there, it means that make that 10 there. And this works, kind of. I'm going to take that now and drop that into there, and then you'll find, look at that ball. Look at it going, and it's only going up and down because of my mouth is moving. I'm not even touching it with my hand. It's it's like super sensitive. I'm almost surprised that if I don't say anything, I'm not doing anything and it's moving, and you're going to go, what's going on? Weirdly, if we stop the game for a moment, the default position of the video motion is greater than 50, this works a little better. Watch. Now I can talk and the ball doesn't move, but if I catch it with my hand, there it goes. Woo! Now I've got to really flick that to get it up. There we go. But if I put my hand over here, it doesn't do anything at all. Whereas if I do it down here, I'm not going to lie to you, it is a bit tricky. It does sort of work, but it's not perfect. This is not a Xbox Connect or anything like that. But the solution to this particular video was that you needed to increase that number. So I'm going to just put my let's go back to the stage a moment and set video transfer back to 100, so I can disappear off there we go, back to where we go. And let's go back to the ball itself. The key to this one is that it's all about changing that number 10 to a number 50, or using, it's experimenting with the numbers. And interesting enough, you can actually see that I can probably still control the ball. I'm waving my hands to a camera and you can't see me, but I'm still controlling the ball by actually waving my hands. Weird, isn't it? It's still doing it as well. Weird. Anyway, it's not perfect. As I said, otherwise we'd be looking at sort of Xbox Connects and stuff like that. But you needed to change that number. So if you don't have a working game, then experiment with those numbers in there, but it's not as low as 10.